pháo, TV.
Hi, kids. Let's have fun learning the alphabet together. Every letter will take you to a cute and easy English word, like fruits, colors, or animals. Ready? Let's go!
This is the letter A. The letter A. A. Apple. Apple. Alligator. Alligator. This is the letter B. The letter B. B. Ball. Ball. Banana. Banana. This is the letter C. The letter C. C. Cat. Cat. Cow. Cow. This is the letter D. The letter D. D. Dog. Dog. Duck. Duck. This is the letter E. The letter E. E. Elephant. Elephant. Egg. Egg.
This is the letter F. The letter F. F. Fish. Fish. Frog. Frog. This is the letter G. The letter G. G. Goat. Goat. Grapes. Grapes. This is the letter H. The letter H. H. Horse. Horse. Hen. Hen. This is the letter I. The letter I. I. Ice cream. Ice cream. Iguana. Iguana. This is the letter J. The letter J. J. Jump. Jump. Jacket. Jacket. This is the letter K. The letter K. K. Koala. Koala. King. King. This is the letter L. The letter L. L. Lion. Lion. Lemon. Lemon. This is the letter M. The letter M. M. Monkey. Monkey. Mango. Mango. This is the letter N. The letter N. N. Noodles. Noodles. Nest. Nest. This is the letter O. The letter O. O. Orange. Orange. Owl. Owl. This is the letter P. The letter P. P. Pig. Pig. Parrot. Parrot. This is the letter Q. The letter Q. Q. Queen. Queen. Quail. Quail. This is the letter R. The letter R. R. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rainbow. Rainbow. This is the letter S. The letter S. S. Snake. Snake. Shark. Shark. This is the letter T. The letter T. T. Tiger. Tiger. Turtle. Turtle. This is the letter U. The letter U. U. Umbrella. Umbrella. Uniform. Uniform. This is the letter V. The letter V. V. Violin. Violin. Vegetable. Vegetable. This is the letter W. The letter W. W. Wolf. Wolf. Whale. Whale. This is the letter X. The letter X. X. Xylophone. Xylophone. X-ray. X-ray. This is the letter Y. The letter Y. Y. Yellow. Yellow. Yacht. Yacht. This is the letter Z. The letter Z. Z. Zebra. Zebra. Zoo. Zoo.
Thank you, little friends, for learning the English alphabet with me today. Now that we're done, don't forget to practice and say the letters out loud, okay? Goodbye, my little stars. See you next time. Bye bye.